In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand the Xero dashboard. As you embark on this journey to get comfortable with Xero, the first thing you'll notice after logging in is the home dashboard. This is your central hub, where you'll find important tools and information right at your fingertips. By default, the screen highlights pinned tools, analytical insights, and critical data that Xero has tailored to help you stay on top of your financial management with ease. The layout is designed to provide a comprehensive overview at a glance. The main component you'll rely on here is the top bar, which serves as your primary navigation tool. It efficiently categorizes all of Xero's features into several distinct sections that are crucial for managing your business, such as sales, purchases, reporting, payroll, accounting, contacts, and projects. First, under Sales, you can track your invoices, manage your inventory, and oversee customer transactions. This section is all about understanding who owes you money and when it's due, ensuring that your cash flow remains healthy. If you navigate over to Purchases, this is where you will manage your bills, track expenses, and handle your supplier interactions. It's the perfect spot for keeping an eye on what you owe and planning according to your payment schedules. The reporting feature is particularly powerful, offering deep insights into your business's performance. Here, you can generate financial reports that provide a more analytical view of your accounts, helping you make informed decisions based on real-time data. With these reports, understanding the financial health of your business becomes significantly easier. Next, the payroll section is designed to simplify managing employee payments and tax obligations, making it easier to handle everything from employment contracts to payslips confidently. The built-in tools streamline the process, saving both time and effort. The accounting category covers your general ledger, bank accounts, and chart of accounts. This is where the nuts and bolts of your financial records are managed, and it's essential for keeping everything balanced and accurate. Meanwhile, the contacts section serves as your centralized address book for clients and suppliers, allowing you to maintain efficient communication and organization. Lastly, the projects area is excellent for tracking the time and money spent on individual projects, helping you ensure that your efforts lead to profitability. This can be especially useful if your business is involved in delivering services or creating customized products. Each section of the dashboard is designed to optimize your workflow, making your financial management streamlined and accessible. The intuitive design of Xero's user interface allows you to move effortlessly between these sections, ensuring that you can find and act on the information you need without hassle. That's all for our overview of understanding the Xero dashboard. With this guide, you're now better equipped to explore the features tailored to help you manage your business effectively. Whether it's tracking sales or generating financial reports, Xero's dashboard is designed to keep you informed and ready to take action.